In this video, I'm going to show you how to install two Snapchat apps on Android. So this is going to be a very quick and easy tutorial, so let's start our video. So the first thing that you want to do here is you want to go to your settings. So your settings is located at the home page of your screen, or you could just access it from your dashboard here, just swiping from above and just clicking on the top right corner of the screen. That's where the gear icon is. And from here, you want to look for apps. So here under apps, you want to look for dual apps. Just click on that. And here you want to look for Snapchat. So if you can't see Snapchat manually here, you can just use the search function here. Just search Snapchat. And here you want to click on the application and just enable the switch there. So once you've enabled that, when we go back into our screen and just hover over the pages that we have right now on our application drawers here, you'll notice that I have the first Snapchat application here and I have the second one here. So when we actually go to our Snapchat application here, as you can see, I can log in into my second account now. So basically that's it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe if you found this video helpful.